Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make money with HubSpot, so let's get right into it. Now, you can make money with HubSpot if you're using HubSpot for your business. That's pretty much a given. What I'm going to be showing you guys in this video is how you can join the affiliate program and earn money through commissions. Now, as you can see, this is the page for the affiliate partner program. So just go to this page and click here to become an affiliate. And what you need to do is just sign up, and they'll review your application and contact you within 2 to 3 business days. Once you sign up and they actually accept you, you will need to go through an onboarding course or a training course, which is pretty much just to make sure that you know everything about the program so that you can actually go ahead and be the best quality affiliate that you can. Now, after that, then you should just promote HubSpot. Now, you should have a sort of sphere of influence. You should have a couple of different, what's it called? Media, I guess, or spheres of influence such as social media. You have to have a following. That's the word I was searching for. Excuse me for my brain glitch. And yeah, if you have that, then they'll most likely accept you if they see that you are worthy of promoting HubSpot to your audience. And then once you promote it, you'll be getting money on a regular basis, depending on how many people you attract and how much attention you attract as well. Then once you make money, you will go up through the tiers, which are down here. As you can see, you have the affiliate, super affiliate, and elite affiliate, which you can use. In other places I saw that they have sort of platinum, diamond, and elite or something like that. I'm not sure if that is exactly this, but as you can see, these are the benefits you get from getting over the tiers. And as you can see, the starting point is affiliate, then 100 to 200 signups per month is super affiliate, and 200 plus is elite affiliate, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.